Cryotherapy is an innovative treatment where the body is exposed to very cold temperatures of up to -140 degrees Celsius, -220 degrees Fahrenheit. How does it work? Your cryotherapist will accompany you to the treatment room where you will enter into a cryo chamber. This is where we conduct our whole body cryotherapy sessions. Once you step in, your body is briefly enveloped with cryogenically cooled air. You will be in there for a maximum period of 3 minutes. What does cryotherapy do for you? Stimulates blood circulation, releases enhanced levels of endorphins, increases the oxygen and nutrient supply to the areas of the body that need revitalizing, speeds up muscle recovery, triggers natural regeneration and recovery processes, reduces inflammation and pain levels by increasing cellular survival and strengthening the immune system, decreases fatigue, enhances positive hormone responses to encourage relaxation, boosts collagen production, increased caloric burn and metabolic boost, adoption by the world's best athletes and cutting-edge treatments. Isn't it time you treated your body to the benefits of cryotherapy?